The overview of the Tacklife socket sets. So these sockets are black chrome, so they are not impact rated. So don't confuse them with the other black impact rated sockets. So the nice thing about this is it comes with both short and long sizes. The short sizes are pretty much complete. Looking at the metric ones, the only one missing is size 20. And the metric ones have 6 sides, they're 6 points, whereas the longer ones, they so again, looking at the sizes, they don't have size 16, 18, 20 and 21, and they are also 6 points. The metric ones are 6 points, but the inch ones are 12 points, and also the small inch ones are also 12 points. So the other nice thing is it comes with these two extensions, and these are the spark plug sockets. So this one is 13 size 13 16, and this one is 5/8, and the ratchet has fine number of ticks. So when you put in one of these sockets, let's see. Yeah, so you just need to push it to, so it wouldn't come off by itself, but you push the button to release it. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. So it's a nice set to get started for working on a car or something like that. So thanks for viewing.